Alright, so here's the Trane XR15 heat pump running. I have actually not filmed this thing since May, because I have not been here since May. So I thought I'd get another video out for you guys here. It's not frozen, unfortunately. I wanted to see if I could catch a defrost. I've never caught a defrost from this unit. That is really good airflow. That's ice cold air. She's got that climate top compressor, climate top recip. Someone commented that it's not, but like you can just tell what a sound. That's a recip. It has a JIT-Tech fan motor. This unit is an XR15, 15 series, so that's efficient for Trane. It's a 3-ton, all for 10A refrigerant, and it's August of 2011. Here is the reversing valve. Right there. Suction line's nice and hot. Actually really hot. Yeah. I would try to get a startup, but I don't have my tripod with me. But yeah. Who knows when you'll see this thing again. Maybe next time I come back here. Maybe if I can get a defrost, I'll make a video of that. But yeah. I don't know. I don't know when the next time I'm gonna be coming down here. I don't come down here much. But I try to get a video every single time I come. But yeah. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.